Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will solve some exercise that maybe are harder for you because it have more information that you use to solve that kind of problems. Okay, for example, I will solve the exercise number 4 and the number 7. Okay, for example, here the number 4. If 12 dogs eat 36 kilograms of food in 6 days, how many kilograms do 15 dogs eat in 8 days? Okay, if you look here the solution, you will find maybe a problem. Why? The number of data that we have. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements of 5 data. So this is a little hard, but you need to organize the information first. How? Again, you need to use a table here. Let me check. 12 dogs, 36. 12 dogs, 36. How many days? 6 days. Okay. Okay. And another information is 50 ducks, 8 days. 50 ducks, 8 days. Okay, this is information that we have, so it's a little harder, but it's nothing that you cannot solve. Well, you need to define what kind of problem is that exercise. Remember, you need to check if that problem is direct variation or inverse variation. Remember, if that problem one quantity increases and another two is a direct variation, and if one quantity increases and another decrease, this is an inverse variation. Okay, so you look here, yeah, the problem. 12 dogs eat 36 kilograms of food in 6 days. Yeah, how many kilograms do 15 ducks? You increase the number of ducks. If you increase the number of ducks, yeah, it means that the food, the kilograms to feed that dog, the kilograms to feed that dogs will increase. Yeah. Now, if you increase the days, the number of days, again the food increase. Okay, so it's a direct variation here. Okay, now you need to group first what whatever you want, but here I will group that data. Okay, if you remember, to solve that kind of exercises you need to use simple rule of 3, yeah, because it's about a direct variation. Okay, so you need to multiply here, yeah, and divide by the rest. Okay, so let me use the calculator. Times 36 divided by 12. Yeah, this is a result here. This is not the total or the final result. Yeah, it's a intermediate result. Yeah, okay. That result, what it means, it means that 15 dogs in 6 days, the same quantity of days in 6 days, eats 45 kilograms of food. Yeah, so you need to group again that information, but you need to remember that you now will calculate using 8 days. So I will type again kilograms, days. Yeah, but now remember there are 45 kilograms in 6 days. Yeah, now you want to know how many kilograms in 8 days. Yeah, why you move that quantity up? Because remember, the information that you have is this. Yeah, this information that you have. Yep. So you need to do another table again and organize your data. Yeah, remember, you will group your information and apply the simple rule of 3. Now you need to organize again and create another table. Yeah, but you need to move the information to the row where you are working all the information that you have. Yeah, now it's again another simple rule of 3. Yep, so here 45 times 8 divided by 6. Okay, the answer is 60 kilograms of food. Okay, now we will solve the last exercise, the number 7. It's a 15 workers working 6 hours a day take 30 days to do a job. How many days will it take 10 workers to do the same job using 8 hours a day? Again, you need to organize your information in a table. Okay, it will be the table. So you have 50 workers, 6 hours, 56. Okay, 15, 6. How many days? 30 days. 30 days. 30 days. Okay. Now, how many days? Take 10 workers, 8 hours. 10 workers, 10 workers, 8 hours. Okay, this is the information organized. You need to analyze first what kind of problem is this. Yeah, if you invest more hours to do a work, that work will take less days. Okay, you increase the hours, decrease the days. If you decrease the workers, you increase the days. So this is the inverse variation. Yeah, again, you have so many data here, you need to group the information. For example, you can organize here. Okay, and you can multiply, yeah, and the result divided by. Okay, the calculator here. Okay, 6 times 30 divided by 8. Okay, so here is intermediate result. Okay, now we need to group workers with days. Okay, so here I will write, I will copy, workers and days. Yeah, but remember, the information that you use to calculate that, it's for 15 workers. So yeah, the result that you have, you need to type here. Why? Because you having 15 workers working 8 hours, they takes 22.5 days to finish that work. Okay, so now you need to calculate how many days 10 workers will invest to finish that work. Yeah, again, it's an inverse variation. Yeah, so you need to multiply here, yeah, and divide by that quantity. So here 15 times, yeah, divided by 10. Okay, this is the result of that exercise. Okay guys, this is the result for that exercise. Is a very useful exercise because if you have a real application of that information, you can decide if it's best pay 15 workers 30 days, or is best pay 10 workers working 22.5 days. Okay, let's start with the algebra. Okay, we will see what is an algebraic expression. Is made of terms. Yeah, and what is a term? A term is an element of an expression. Yeah, we will see the parts of a term. For example, here, that term, exists two ways to name that. The first one is larger, but it's very useful because express the operation. Yeah, here minus 5 times, yeah, because this is a multiplication here. Yeah, so minus 5 times x raised up third power. Yeah, all in a short mode, minus 5x cubed. Yeah, this is, but you need to understand the first mode because you need to understand here what kind of operation are here. This is a multiplication here. Yeah, but we don't write the symbol here. Okay, well, now this is a term, and what parts have a term? It have a sign. In that case is minus. Coefficient is a number. Yeah, a variable maybe can exist more than one variable, but in that case it's only one variable here. This is about the letters, yeah, of the alphabet, and the exponent or the power here. Okay, so okay, all of you will do that. We'll insert a table. Okay, a table here. Let me use a format for that table. Yeah. Now, so this is the table that you will fill. Okay, for example, here the first 2x cubed, yeah, sign is positive, coefficient 2, variable x, exponent 3. Yeah, the next one, you have here a minus sign, coefficient 9, variable, you have 2 variables here, yeah, and the exponent is 1. Okay, so you will solve the rest. Okay, now we will see the classification of algebraic expressions. Okay, if you have only one term, that kind of expression is named monomial. For example, 2x. Okay, if you have an expression formed by two monomials or by two terms, it's named binomial. For example, here 3x plus 2y. Okay, now if you have an expression with three terms, but with three monomials, this is named trinomial. Yeah, if you have more than three, you can name polynomial. But if you will apply correctly that term, you can apply polynomial after two terms. Yeah, okay, now the degree of a monomial. The degree of a monomial is equal to the sum of the exponents of the variables that compose it. So, for example, here 6x squared times y cubed times c. Okay, so if you look here, all the exponents here, second exponent, a third exponent or third power, yeah, and x is here a 1, yeah, but it not will be right. Yeah, so you need to sum, you need to add all the exponents. So here's 2 plus 3 plus 1, yeah, it has a degree of 6. The degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the degree of the higher term. So for that sample, 2x cubed plus 3x times y squared less 2y. Okay, so the degree here is 3. Why? Because the degree of the first term is 3. The degree of the second term is 3 2. This is 1 here, yeah, 1 plus 2 is equals 3, and here exists a 1. Yeah, so now you will do that. Okay, this is the another table that you need to fill. Okay, this is the first term, 2x cubed. So what is the degree for that term? 3. Okay, the next one, minus 9x times y. The degree here is 2. Remember, when you will calculate the degree of a term, you need to sum all or add all the exponents of that term. Okay, so you will fill the rest now. Okay, now you will fill another table. You need to get the degree, but now the old expression. Yeah, for example, here this is the first 2x cubed plus 3x times y times c. Okay, you need to get the degree of every term. For example, the first is 3, yeah, and the second is 3 2, so the degree here is 3. Okay, remember, for every term you need to calculate, you need to add or sum all the exponents of the all variables. Okay, next one. Minus 9x times y plus 2y. Okay, this is degree 2, yeah, because the first term have a second degree. Yeah, remember, when you calculate the degree of an expression, yeah, you need to get the higher degree of all terms. Okay, so guys, this is all for today. I will wait for your homework. Fill the 3 tables. See you guys.